Megan's stuck in the bathroom. No, the internet don't work upstairs. Can you get out? I can't get you out from the outside.
I can't get it. It won't come out.
I can't. The door won't open.
Break the door.
You're gonna have to climb out of the window. That's what Amy did when she got stuck. Have you lost the...
No, come on.
Then...
Wait, I've lost the knob now.
Hello?
Are you on camera to anyone?
No. No.